Hello children, I am Mother Earth. I give you clean air, fresh water, food and a beautiful place to live. But I am becoming sick because of the pollution and waste.
Oh, I use plastic bags every day. After using them, I throw them away without thinking.
That's harmful. Plastic pollutes the land and water. Animals often mistake plastic for food and become sick.
I didn't know that. From today, I will use cloth bags and avoid the use of plastics.
I also have a bad habit. I leave taps while brushing my teeth and waste a lot of water.
Water is precious. Every drop counts. Many people do not have enough clean water to drink.
I understand now. I'll close taps when not in use and save water every day.
I love trees. Trees give us oxygen, fruits, shade, and home for animals and birds. I will plant more trees and protect the forest.
Wonderful. Trees are my best friends. They help keep the air clean and reduce pollution.
And I will carry a reusable water bottle, switch off lights when not needed, recycle waste, walk or cycle whenever possible.
Wonderful. These simple habits keep our environment protecting and create a sustainable future.
Now I understand plastic is so harmful. I will reduce plastic use.
Hereafter, I will not waste water. I will save water.
I will plant and protect trees. And I will help others practice eco-friendly practices.
Wonderful. If everyone does their part, we can keep our planet healthy and beautiful.
Save trees, reduce waste, and keep the earth clean. Go green, keep it clean, save the earth for future generations.
Be green, be responsible. Taking care of nature is everyone's responsibility. Simple eco-friendly actions make bigger difference.
Small green habit, big change. Turning off pipes and saving electricity is a small green habit. When practiced daily, it creates a positive impact on the environment.
Protect nature, protect our future. Nature provides us with clean air, water, and food. Protecting it today ensures a better future for everyone. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce waste, reuse useful items, recycle materials whenever possible. These habits help us conserve resources and reduce pollution.
Save water every day. Water is precious and should not be wasted. Use it carefully to ensure enough water for future generations.
Plant more trees. Trees gives us oxygen, shade and healthier environment. Planting more trees fight pollution and climate change.
Say no to plastic. Plastic pollutes our land and water and harms animals. Use cloth bags and reusable items to keep our earth clean.
Switch off unused lights. Saves energy. Turning off lights when not needed saves electricity. It helps to conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Walking or cycling in short distance. Walking or cycling reduces air pollution and keeps us healthy. It is an eco-friendly way to travel and save fuel.
Protect wildlife. Animals and birds are important for maintaining nature balance. We must protect their habitats and never harm them. Thank you.
Keep our surroundings clean. A clean environment helps prevent diseases. Always use dustbins and avoid littering in public places.